He's definitely alive.
He's like, I'm eating that. You're not taking my food from me.
How am I going to get it out?
Come on, catfish. Let go of him.
Hang on. Come on. Come on, bud. Release it.
He has a strong, strong grip.
I think it's jammed in here, that's why. He's stuck. He's got... The turtle is stuck in there and he can't... He's going to die. There we go.
Oh,
Okay, sorry.
He was eating a turtle. We actually rescued him because he got stuck with a turtle in his mouth. So Jacques and him are looking at it. We're going to put him back in and release him. He's humongous. Okay, here we go. See if he's he's good. He'll go. He'll go. I hope he doesn't going to eat that turtle again.
Yeah, hopefully he's going to listen.
He was going to die. There's no way that turtle was going in.
And it was coming out either.
Yeah, and it wasn't coming out either, so we did it. Awesome rescue, guys.